Hello again everyone, today we are going to take a look at the Rillpac R100C. Let's check them out. R1. And well, before we get started with the review of the Rillpac R100C, three things. Thank you to Chemical Ali for suggesting review of this unit. Also, thank you to Rillpac for sending this for review, links to their shop down below. And also, as always, if you like my content, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, if you have any kind of question, comment, feedback or whatever, leave a comment down below. I answer them all and also give you hearts. And well, without further ado, let's get started. And well, here they are. As you can see from the unboxing, you get quite a few things. You get your sure clip here, and also your extra ear tips. And also, I forgot to mention, you get your carrying case. And well, let's start with the most important thing, which is audio quality. And first, let's start with the highs. So the highs are actually pretty decent on this. There is a little bit of thinness going on, a little bit of pickiness, but it's not something super aggressive. The highs have a very nice presence in the mix overall. One thing that I didn't like that much about the highs is that in some songs they tend to kind of overshadow the mids. But overall, pretty solid highs for the price. And now for the mids. The mids are actually quite medium. This is super impressive. The mids have a very nice presence, like I said, in the mids. Very nice amount of body, very nice micro detail here and there. They feel a little bit recessed, which is kind of... Sorry if you hear a little bit of background noise, it is raining. One problem that they have is that they tend to be a little bit shouty. The transition between the mids and the highs is not the smoothest. So if you are kind of treble sensitive, you are going to hear a little bit of shoutiness. But overall, the mids are super nice on this, very similar to the BK4s. And now for the bass. And well, the bass is very tastefully done on this. It is not super bassy. I think this is a very balanced sounding IEM. The bass is not overly boomy. Well, it's not boomy, it's very thumpy. That is very noticeable. So if you are here for that dirty rumbleness that dynamics tend to have, this doesn't have that. Instead, this has a lot of texture, which is kind of surprising for the price. And again, very thumpy. I really like it. So for aggressive songs, this is going to be super nice because the attack and decay of the bass is very nice. I really like this. So overall, the sound signature feels kind of balanced. The mids feel a little bit recessed, but again, it is super solid. The bass has a nice amount of presence, but doesn't overshadow the other frequencies. The mids are acceptable. They have mid, but again they are a little bit recessed, and they feel a little bit shouty at times. But it's nothing super offensive. The transition between the mids and the highs is not the greatest. It's a little bit of thinness going on there. The highs are very nice. I like the shimmer that they have. Instrument separation overall is acceptable. Soundstage is very big. It's super surprising. I think that is bigger than the BK4s. Imaging is a little bit above average. So overall, a basic, fun, bright experience. And now let's talk about build quality. Build quality on this is pretty solid actually. It's all plastic, there is not a single strand of metal on this. Here you have your nozzle, this is the only metal that you have in this IM. As you can see, I'm using the double ear tip because these aren't the best fitting IMs that I've used. If you are using the standard ear tips, which are nice, they are a little bit on the stiffer side, you might have fit problems with this, and the sound quality isn't going to be as nice. So it is super nice of Rillpac that they include your double ear tips, because they knew that some people will have problems with this IM, which is very nice. Again, all plastic. This is not a cable protector or anything like that. You have here your R, and the cable, although it is a little bit thin, it feels kind of reassuring, you know. This doesn't have any braiding or anything like that. It's just kind of a textured cable. And here you have your mic with volume control, and the mic quality is like this.
This is the mic quality of the Rillpac R100C.
Let me know what you think. Here, as you can see in the unboxing, you have your shirt clip, very nice, and your chin slider, which is functional. It's really nice. I don't use it, but it is nice that they include it. Here you have your splitter / fork, whatever you want to call it, with this nice kind of bubble with the name of the IMs. I really like that. Again, the cable is not the greatest, but it doesn't feel like it's going to break. Here you have your L plug, here you have your cable guard, and overall, and well, build quality wise, these are plastic down. They are super lightweight and they have no metal, but for being all plastic, they actually feel really nice. I mean, the cable, as you can see here, likes to keep its shape. I have tried to straighten it out, but yeah, this cable is not going to be straight no matter what. But aside from all of that, the build quality is actually pretty solid. And well, what about gaming? I've been using this for a couple of weeks for gaming because they are great. The imaging, the soundstage, the sound signature, everything is very nice for gaming. They aren't fatiguing at all. The highs don't feel very aggressive when talking about, you know, explosions and gunshots and all of that. The soundstage really puts you in the game. You can really pinpoint where people are because of the imaging. These are great for gaming, for music also, but I prefer this for gaming. So if you are looking for a budget pair of gaming IEMs and with a decent mic quality, volume controls, and a shirt clip, Rillpac has you covered because these are very nice for gaming. And I'm a person that doesn't like gaming with IEMs because sometimes I'll talk with my teammates and it feels really weird to talk with something shoved into your ear canal. But with this, it's actually really nice. So I would really recommend it if you're looking for a budget pair of IEMs and you don't like gaming with earbuds. So yeah guys, that would be pretty much it. I think this is going to be a shorter review than usual because this is a very straightforward pair of IEMs. Very similar sounding to the BK4s, if not better. Comparison video is coming very soon. I just need a little bit more time to collect my thoughts, but with that out of the way, again, that will be pretty much it. I will have links to Rillpac's AliExpress shop in the description. As always, those aren't affiliate links. I don't get any money for any purchases, so go ahead, click it. You aren't giving me any money. And well, as always guys, if you like this review, please consider subscribing, give me this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next review. Take care.